In this video, I'm going to be showing you how the temperature gauge works in LEGO Fortnite. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. So there are 5 different components in the temperature gauge. There is freezing, cold, there's obviously regular, and then there is the hot and then burning. So as you can see, I just went barely into the Frostlands and got a snowberry. Now this would protect me from the heat should I go into the desert. As you can see, if I were to eat it, I have heat protection for 2 minutes. You can also make the shakes from it. Now, as you can see, if I go into the Frostlands without any protection, I'm going to start getting a little bit cold. I'm going to run a little bit slower, and I'm just in the cold spot. Now, if I were to go into the caves, I would be way too freezing, and I would not be able to survive. So as you can see, it is just in the cold section. Same thing goes for if you're going into the desert without heat protection. It's going to go into the hot section. That's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.